अस्सलाम वालेकुम, दिस इज़ अली फ्रॉम लर्न टीवी। आज हम खबरें सुन रहे हैं। लॉट ऑफ न्यूज़ कमिंग इन द सोशल मीडिया एंड द टीवीज़ एंड ऑन द इंटरनेट and the Facebook, on the YouTube. The Iran has taken the first step. They have attacked with the missiles to the Israel, and more than 100 missiles gone to them. So they have taken the first step because the Iran is our brothers. Nobody else taken this step. They have taken because they can't bear the killing of the innocent people. Because Israelis are attacking on their hospital, on their land, on their houses. They have killed a lot of Muslim, our brother and sister. They are very, very bad, but Iran has taken this step. And I think the other Muslim countries should join them as well, because we can't sit together, tie our hands. This is not good. We should take the revenge, because they are killing. They have taken the land from their homeland. So this is very, very bad. Lot of English media, English peoples from USA, from UK, from the other countries, they are protesting about the step they've taken for the Israelis to attack on the Palestine and killing the Muslim brothers, killing the children. This is very bad, but at least somebody took this step, and we should join them. We should ask the other Muslim countries to join this war, because we can't sit back. Because they are our Muslim brothers. They have killed a lot of Muslim brothers and sisters. They have injured. They have done too much damage to the Palestine. Let's pray for them. Let's see how it's gonna happen. Let's see. Inshallah, pray for the Iranis. Pray for the other Muslim who's going to join them, because this is war has to take place. We can't wait all these things. We should take back our land. This is our holy land. This is our Baitul Muqaddas. This is our first Qibla. Let's see and pray for them. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.